Alright, so we're going to create a symmetrical object here using this line, complex line I have here. What I want to do is I want to be able to, rather than tracing this object all the way around on both sides and trying to get it to match up perfectly, I'm just going to create half of it down the line of symmetry and just be able to flip it over and connect it together. So I'm going to select the line, okay, and then I'm going to choose my reflect tool, which is underneath the rotate tool. Go up here to the top anchor point here. I'm going to hold down my Alt key again to select my point of origin. You can see right now it's going to flip based on the center of my object here. What I want it to do is I want it to actually flip right here along this line that I have here, this imaginary vertical line where I've cut this in half. So I want to hold my Alt key, click on the top anchor point. We're going to flip it on a vertical axis, and I'm going to hit OK. Actually, I'm going to hit copy. So now I get the second half here. What I want to do, if I zoom in really close, alright, I want to select this anchor point and the one right next to it. So I have two anchor points here, and I want to join them together. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here to Path, and we're going to choose Average. And I'm going to choose the Both option. It's going to move those two anchor points here, one from the left half, one from the right half, and it's going to move them to the same spot. And then I'm going to go up here, Object, Path, and I'm going to join them together. It's actually going to reduce any gap that was there. Alright, next I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to do the same thing. I can take my direct selection tool, draw a box just around those two anchor points. You can see those two are selected. Do the same thing, Object, Path, Average. When I choose Average, I choose the Both option. It's going to bring these two anchor points to meet in the middle and line up in the exact same position. Okay, that way I know they came together evenly from the right and the left, so my object is still symmetrical. With them both selected, I'm going to go up to Object, Path, and Join. Okay, so now I have one solid object, and I know that it is perfectly symmetrical. Just like that.